All right, let's move it over to weather now, and we've got some heat coming our way. Things are warming up a bit.
Yeah, we will be seeing some heat. It's going to be feeling more like, a couple months ago, but temperatures today a little bit cooler. We actually topped off at 70 degrees. I want to show what we have going on right now. It's 59, kind of a clear night. Yeah, it's not bad. No rain. And really not much cloud coverage either. With the wind being calm, though, and that clear sky right now, we may start seeing some fog forming through the morning hours. So if you're out early tomorrow morning, that may be something that you deal with. Right now, satellite and radar showing some shower activity to the northeast. Yeah, it's drying up slowly because of this high pressure that's starting to extend right in our direction. You see this big system right here in the northwest. That's an area of low pressure. That's probably going to avoid us because this high is going to kind of cut things off and will really leave us dry. So rain total since midnight. We haven't seen much here in Oregon. The bulk of that moisture there for areas like Astoria and extending into southwest Washington, Bend. Even a little bit of rain there that might have happened in the overnight hours. But overall it is practically dry for us today, at least where some of those locations and observation stations where that collect the rain. So far in our September, we're over 2 inches. This is one of the few months this year where we actually had above average rain. So that's good. We had those 2 wet days. That was Wednesday and Friday. And then again, we had a couple scattered showers that you may have seen today, but nice complement of some sunshine as well. All right, current wind speeds very gentle here west of the Cascades, maybe picking up a little bit towards Pendleton and over towards areas like the Dalles. But come tomorrow, that wind's going to start roaring out of the north just a little bit. So that might be an exaggeration, but we will be somewhere right around 15, 20, 25 miles per hour. So it does pick up a little bit. And then by the time we hit into Monday, it actually starts to push out of the east. And so this isn't going to be anything like the Labor Day wind event that fueled the fires, but this is going to have a little bit of strength to it, and that is something that will hopefully settle down by the time we head into Tuesday, Wednesday, and we won't have to worry about that fire danger. But it does increase a little bit. I want to show you this on our rating here. This is our fire weather danger scale. Notice by Monday, as that wind starts to increase, so does the fire weather danger. And it does slow down as we go into Tuesday, so this is probably just going to be that Monday where we're dealing with some of that. On top of it, we may start seeing a little bit of wildfire smoke return as the wind starts to shift. Notice that wildfire smoke starts to move on in from areas of California, and maybe some of our local wildfires as well. All right, 7-day forecast, 80 on Monday, 84 on Tuesday, Wayne. It's going to be a nice day there on Tuesday. We start warming on up, 82 Wednesday, 81 Thursday, Friday, 82. That's 5 days, Wayne, of probably 80-degree temperatures.
Yeah, right back to it. Okay, thank you, Joseph. Still ahead.